explorers, I'm Nat from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For this vlog, we are going to be exploring Carabao Island here in Romblon. This island is only a 45-minute boat ride from Boracay, and you get the serene, the peace, and the province life. This is my first time here in this island. I have been to Romblon before, but not particularly in Carabao Island, so I'm super excited to see what's in store and also to show you guys what you can check out if you visit this island. All right, off we go to explore the island. So I'm actually here on a tour with Carabao Island Beach Camp, and the first thing they want to do is, because we are with some longboard skaters, they're going to be checking out the roads, and yeah, they have beautiful scenic downhill roads, especially if you are an outdoorsy skateboarder. It's going to be super cool. So this island is actually really good for free diving, and this is one of the spots for free diving as well, but I might skip it for now as we are still gonna have to go around the island, and I don't want to get wet yet at the first part of the trip. So yeah, but the view is nice. It's gonna be nice to even have a picnic here. It's quiet. You have some locals here. They're singing karaoke, so you really get the province Filipino life vibe here in the island compared to Boracay, wherein, you know, it's already there's a lot of resorts, there's a lot of tourists. This is the complete opposite of that experience. And it's just funny because we came from Boracay, we stayed at Nigi Nigi Noose Resort, which is where most of the bars and the clubs are, to the quiet side of town. So this is actually the port where you would arrive if you were to take the boat to Carabao Island. It's a bit windy now, but apparently you don't need to book boat tickets ahead of time because there's a lot of space, because as you saw, this island is actually quite empty. The color of the water is amazing though, no? It's really like Boracay. Same type of emerald, aqua blue. It's really nice.
A little windy?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically when the season shifts from Amihan, this place is crystal, while on the other side it's wavy, where the wave is.
Okay.
But when the season change, alright, the wave is here and we get crystal on the other side.
Okay.
So this place has a it's a season proof. So any month of the year you come here, you get a good beach.
Nice.
So I believe this is southeast.
This is Pacific side.
So
that is
that side.
South China Sea side.
So yeah, you have Boracay,
Yeah.
then you have Carabao Island, and then it's
Okay.
slightly
Boracay, Carabao.
So south,
We're right
southeast.
here right now.
Also, we are more east.
Yeah, we're more east.
Okay,
Our
okay.
place is here.
Yeah. Okay.
While Chris is enjoying the beach, I want to check out the back area, which is a little rainforest by the beach. Got a bit of a view. Now how to find my way down. Made it to the other side of the rocks.
Private beach.
Nice.
Adventure.
How was it?
Good. Like on a bike trail.
My goodness! Just relaxing here.
How was it?
We took a sightseeing tour.
It's still over there.
Far?
Oh no, just here. But we're by the caves now.
Time to open up them hips.
Oh, we got over there.
Yeah, I know. This one is
Hot.
in it.
Was it hard biking here?
Basic. So easy.
You, Chris, was it tough?
The only hard part for me is my hips, like sitting like this. It makes my hips tired.
It feels like there's barely any tourism recently because you can see there's no more path even to walk. So yes, explore. It's a good place for you if you like exploring places that aren't too popular yet.
Mga never seen footage ni. Source of COVID.
Those are like hundreds and hundreds of bats, guys. I don't want to go in. You want to go in, Chris?
Huwag niyong gambalain na. Actually, there are a lot there.
Okay, back on the really creepy off-road motorbike trip for our next adventure. What's here?
Mining.
Oh,
Pressure. Alam ko.
we made our way here. Now we have to go back. Whew, all right, our last and final stop for this off-road island tour is the cliff jumping location.
Adventure, as always. Now cliff diving.
Alright guys, who is ready to jump off? Not sure if I am. Whew, sounds scary. And that's a wrap on our Carabao Island adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring this little slice of paradise with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Nat from the Traveling Foxes for more awesome Philippine adventures. See you in my next video.